Nate Wright here, and I'd like to welcome you to Dee Dee's Method Acting Challenge! Dee Dee is an actress, and let's just say she takes it pretty seriously.
Rhubarb and garbage! Rhubarb and garbage!
Dazzle me!
Big deal, I told Dee Dee. Acting's easy. Just get some other rube to play the part. No offense, Chad.
None taken, Nate. Looks like you got the part, Nate.
I'm not scared. Let the challenge begin.
To be a seagull, you must first become the seagull.
Whatever that means, I am so gonna ace this challenge. What's up, seagulls? Ow! Oh, why are their beaks so sharp? I have delicate skin! They're poking out my eye!